Hello. Yes, good morning everybody. So today is 29th of March 2019 and I'm going to take you through the market overview for today. So on today's contest, we want to predict the price of SP500 at the end of the day, and just below my screen I have the format. You should write your account number the first, and then write SP500 and the price where you expect SP500 to be at the end of the day. So if your prediction is correct, then FreshForex will give you the $30 bonus, which is out for contest. So we move straight to the real chart. Let's see trades that we are having. Yesterday we looked at some few trades. We want to see if they went exactly the same way we said, or if there's any correction which we need to make. We'll start off with gold. Today we are starting from gold. Yesterday I had a line at this point. I had my line at around 1312.61, and then there's also another line at this point, 1.301.27, and then I mentioned that this was the place to sell from, 1313.85. So while price was somewhere above the same level, this was the place to sell from. We recommended a sell from this point, expecting price to go down. So far it has done perfectly as we said. So this, if the current week can close the way it is at the moment, then this is still a confirmation that we are selling. We still expect price to continue even lower. So there's something here. There's this big candle. There was a break below. Price tried getting back above, then it broke again below, then tried coming back, and then for the second time you're seeing price breaking again below. So this level is being broken by big candles only. We have this as it is at the moment. This is a sell. If you sold it, as we said, you can wait for the end of the day then close that trade. But if you are yet to sell it, maybe you should wait for a retracement before you can pick a sell up to this trend line. So the same trend line from the monthly point of view looks like this. If you check it, this is how it looks. We have this a support, it went up, it came back, a support, it went up, it came back, a support, then it went up. And should price get back to the same place, this will be the correct place to sell from. So if you're looking at this chart and you took the sell as you said, expect price to continue down up to this trend line. That may be after 2 months, 3 months, but ultimately the price has to hit somewhere here before it continues back to the upper side. We'll move to Brent oil. The first thing, whatever I'm seeing on this chart, is that there's a bullish pin bar. That's the very most important thing, that on the daily chart we have a bullish pin bar pointing upwards. But on the weekly, which is this, that is not weekly, just a second, let me load weekly. On the weekly chart we are actually looking for a sell. Brent oil, on the weekly chart there's a trend line where price is bouncing off from. We have that one. So if you want to trade Brent correctly, this is still a sell. For me, this is still a sell. There was a support here, we had a support there, and then price went below everything. It tried coming back up, but it's being supported, it's being resisted by this trend line. So this is still a sell. For me, I'm still looking for a sell as long as the price does not clearly ascend above this trend line. If you see any sell signal now, then this should be the correct place to sell from. But because the daily chart is giving us a buy signal, expect price to move higher and should attempt going beyond this line before you can pick that sell. We'll move to SP500. We have it there. I had my lines here drawn some few days ago. This was where I was waiting for a trade from. There was a support there, a resistance, then a resistance. We also had that as a resistance. Then there was this, a resistance. Then price went above, it came down, and it's currently consolidating, but it's not moving clearly below this indicator, the envelopes. So for me, this is still a buy. I still expect price to move up, especially if it does not close below the lower envelope. So what I mean by the lower is the red one. This red one is called the lower envelope, and then the upper blue one is called the upper envelope. So as long as the price continues to close above the lower envelope, this is still a buy. We basically expect price to move slightly up, then retrace back to the same level before we can pick a buy like that, expecting price to move up to this level. So the contest which you said is still valid. You can still predict, but today you have to predict SP500. Just say where you expect SP500 close at the end of the day, then you'll be able to get the reward for it. So we move to the next chart. That should be USD JPY. From the weekly point of view, we actually looked at a buy yesterday. Just a second, we have it there. SP500, it's here. This is what we said, that this was supposed to be a very good place to buy from, but price has to close above 110.78 before we can clearly buy it. So as it is at the moment, from the weekly point of view, the price may likely head down first before it comes back up, and then we'll see a continuation back to the upper side. So the view which I said here, this move is still valid as long as the monthly chart is giving you a buy. So on this side, I'm not going to recommend anything. I suggest you remain flat temporarily. Don't do anything. Wait for price to either go beyond this line, then retrace back before you pick a buy. But as long as we are below, the price is likely to come back to this support. We are likely coming back to this as a good place to buy from. So I've not added an indicator this one because I've not got any indicator that's giving me a clear data that supports the position I'm seeing. But you want to trade it, wait for price here, or it should break above, then you should buy. Either way, I only recommend buying it. If you see any buy position, buy it. A good buy, and there should be a good buy at the top. We'll move to GBP/USD. There, it's going down perfectly. We said the price bounced off from this weekly resistance. We are on the lower side, so either price is likely heading down up to this support. The support is here. This is the correct place. The support is here. Either the price is coming back up to the support, or it should break above before it retraces back, before we see this move up to this level. So that should be enough for GBP/USD. We'll move to the last pair, which is EUR/USD. It is going down perfectly as we mentioned. So yesterday the price went down just as we said. It moved down and is still continuing even lower. So as it is at the moment, if you took a sell based on the previous week's pin bar, you should be taking profits now. Take your profits now because this is a weekly support, and then wait for price to clearly break below in the coming week, then retrace back before you can sell it even further. So thank you very much. See you again on Monday at the same time. So you can still predict. Just say where you expect SP500 to close, and then I'll be able to write that here. Let me write for you where that should be. Write your predictions here. Your predictions here, and include your account number. So this is only for people who are new in FreshForex, who are using Fresh for the first time. If you've been there, then you may not be given that bonus unless you are a new person. You should write include your account number, include your is texting me asking the format. The format is already below this video. The format is below this video. All predictions must be in this format. You have to write account number, and then write SP500, then write the price. That's the correct format. There is no other format. If you write any other format other than that, then problem will be on your side. So thank you. See you again on Monday.